Hi there, I'm Noel Micheal, a lecturer of Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management from Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu. Today's topic is the 5 modes of transportation. So, let's get started. What is transportation? Transportation ensures time and place utility. It results in the movement of goods from one place to another place, thus making the product available through the customer at the right time. There can be various modes of transportation. The modes of transport includes various types of factors or methods to transfer the goods or products from one place to another place. The modes are roadway transportation, railway transportation, water transportation, air transportation, and pipeline transportation. The first mode is roadways transportation. A road is an identifiable route, way, or a path between two or more places. This mode of transport helps to transfer the goods from one place to another place by road through various methods like auto, buses, trucks, cargo, and other suitable factors. In road transport, the chances of an accident are very high, and it is also very risky. Advantages of road transport: first, it is very flexible in nature, and second, help to facilitate movement of goods in remote areas. Third, provide alternative form of car, rickshaw, auto, buses, trucks, and so on. Fourth, it is good for transporting perishable products. And fifth, it is very suitable for short distance journey. The disadvantage of road transport: it is not suitable for long distance as it is not economical. It is slow compared to railways. Goods can be destroyed or damaged due to specks of dust and pollutions. It is very time consuming, and last but not least, accidents and breakdowns may occur. The second mode of transport is railway transportation. It is a means of transport in which the goods are transferred from one place to another place, and as well as transfer the passenger from one place to another destination. It is preferred due to high speed, invariance to road transport, where vehicles run on a flat road or surface. Rail vehicles are directionally managed by the rail tracks on which they run. Rail transport helps to provide administrative facilities to the government. The public servant and defense forces run their mobility from the railways. Advantages of railway transportation: it is economical for long distance because it can easily cover all areas of states and cities. This means of transport is very faster than roadways. Third, more suitable for carrying bulky amount of goods and products. And fourth, it provides proper protection from exposure to the sun and dust pollution. And fifth, it is the most dependable means of transport. The disadvantages of railway transportation: number 1, huge capital is required for construction and maintenance. 2, it is not suitable for hilly areas. 3, it is not flexible in nature. 4, the cost and time of terminal operations are the major disadvantages of rail transport. And 5th, the monopoly in nature. Water transportation. It involves the movement of goods through oceans and seas. There are more than 365 ports in India, with Visakhapatnam contributing to maximum portion of traffic. In water transport, the weights of goods are very large in comparison to other means of transport. It plays a very crucial role in the development of export and imports of goods in the different parts of the world. The advantages of water transportation: number 1, it is the very cheapest and easiest means of transportation. 2, goods in bulk are transported. 3, It promotes foreign or international trade. 4. It can easily carry a huge quantity of goods such as timber and coal. And number 5 is, in comparison to the other transport, the risk capacity is very low. The disadvantages of water transportation. One of the drawbacks is there is a delay in the movement of goods from one place to another. Second, performance is affected by the seasonal variations. Third, it can be used in a limited area of operations because it can only run on seas and oceans. And 4, water transport is very unsuitable for small businesses because it carries a small number of goods only. Air transportation. The distinct advantage of air transport is speed and suitability. It is very useful for less working goods with the high value of the price. Air transport is also known as aviation. The important characteristic of air transport is that it does not need a particular surface track for its working operations. It is the fastest means of transportation, but the cost of operation is very high according to the other modes. Advantages of air transportation. Number 1, fastest means of transportation. 2, useful moving the goods in the amount of bulk. 3, each and every area of accessible. 4, vital for national security and defense. 5, very useful in earthquakes and other floods situation. Disadvantages of air transportation. 1, large capital investment is needed. 2, not suitable for working goods. 3, may be affected by the rains or weather. 4, risk of accidents are the highest. And last one is the mode of transport. Air requires a specialized skills and a high degree of training. Pipeline transportation. Pipeline transportation is used for sending the liquids and gases from one place to another place. Through this means of transport, we can also send chemicals, biofuels, and natural gases. Advantages of pipeline transportation is 1, they are very flexible in transporting liquids and gases. 2nd, it consumes low energy power. 3rd, it needs a limited area of maintenance. And 4th, pipelines are very safe and accident-free transportation. Disadvantages of pipeline transportation. 1, it is not flexible in nature. 2nd, it is restricted in a limited area of work. 3rd, difficult to make security arrangements for this transport. Congratulations! Now you know all the 5 modes of transportations. Thank you for listening, guys, and see you in the next topic.